Hello, Sarah. Good evening.
Hello, teacher.
Can you hear me well?
Yes.
All right. I actually didn't know that you already enter. Next time, you can say hi whenever that you enter, and you can see that I'm already here. All right? So that we can start immediately. Well, anyway, Sarah, how are you?
I'm happy.
Wow, great. So, how's the weather in your place?
What?
How's the weather in your place?
Um, is everything okay? Not rainy, not sunny very much, and not hot very much.
Nice. Okay, so do you still remember our lesson last time?
I forgot.
You forgot. So you forgot the entire lesson that we had, right?
uh, I remember some like uh, what- oh, I remember. I remember.
Okay, so what did we learn last time?
Hmm. Uh, it adjective is what adjective? Oh,
Adjective. Actually, we are done with the adjective. Okay, so last time we learned about writing an informal email. Do you remember?
hello, sir.
All right. So, hello, Mai. Good evening. So, let's review our lesson last Monday, not last week, sorry. So, what are the three parts of an email? Yet, Mai and Sarah, do you remember the three parts of the email?
Yes. Yes.
Very good. So, what are the three parts?
Uh, is name the I remember the end, the body, um, contain, and
Very good, Mai. That's correct. We have the greeting, the body,
me,
and
me inside the body and the end.
the end, or what we call the closing. Very good, Sarah and Mai. Okay, so yes, as I told you last week actually, I'm sorry, I'm so confused. Last week that tonight we are going to write a response to Mark. Okay? So this time I want you to write your response to Mark. Write it in the chat box. Or if you don't want to write using the computer, write it using a pen and a paper, then take a picture and send it in the chat box here in Zoom. Do you understand, Mai and Sarah? Whenever that you send, just send it to me directly, not to everyone. Okay?
Yes. Can you say it again?
All right. So here tonight we are going to write a response. Do you know what a response is? Response is a reply. We're going to
Like
reply to Mark. Okay. So again, this is Mark's letter. Hi, Hamal. How's it going? We miss you on the football team. I'm the new captain. So of course, You have to start with the greeting. So what will you put in your greeting here?
Hi, Jama. It
No? You are Jamal. You are Jamal writing to Mark. So what will you
uh,
write here?
Hi, Mom.
Very good. You say hi, Mark. So again, it says here there are clues. So you have to say congratulations in here. So what will you say? Hi, Mark. Then
Um, uh, it's um,
I'm going to write, okay? So here it is. Hi, Mark. So what will you write? Mark is asking you,
mm,
how's it going? We miss you on the football team. I'm the new captain. So what will you say? How will
mm,
you answer this question?
realize.
How's it going?
Hi, Mark. Everything going good.
Very good,
Uh,
Sarah.
everything going good.
So you can say
Mm,
everything's going well.
going well.
Then you have to say congratulations. What will you say?
Uh, Congratulations, you is uh the new captain
Very good. So you can say congratulations for being the
in my
new
team.
captain in your team. Okay, so Mai, do you understand Mai?
Yes,
Okay, so this is only an example. I want you to write the rest of your response, okay, from
it,
here. You have to follow the instruction. Describe. Tell me about your new home. What's your room like? What do you like doing in your free time where you live now? What's your new school like? Have you got any friends yet? Okay, so tell Mark about Simon. So you can make a new name here. It can be Sarah, Mai. Then, of course, don't forget your closing. Now, write your response in the Zoom chat. Okay, so I'm going to send you a message here. So you continue with it. Did you receive that one, Mai?
time bomb.
Okay. Then here, I sent it to you too, Sarah. Now write your answers, copy it and paste, then write. Continue writing your response. So I'll give you 5 minutes to do that. Timer starts now. Yes, Sarah, are you done?
No, no.
Okay, let me know once you're done. Are you now done, Sarah and Mai?
Yeah.
All right, now Mai, since you're done, I want you to send your answer only to me.
Yeah. My
Where do you
friend, my friend is email. It is for a mark.
in your email?
Email the name friend is different mark.
It's okay. It doesn't matter. Just send me your answer here in the chat box in Zoom. Directly to me, not to Sarah, okay? I'll wait for your answer, Mai.
Hachi,
I want you to write Mai because I also want to check the spelling,
Hachi, how are
patience.
you?
Oh, no, no, Mai. Write your answer. Where did you write your answer? In a paper? Did you write it on a paper?
No,
Where?
in my iPad.
iPad. Okay, copy that one. Send it in the chat box. Are you using your iPad to join the class? Mai?
Yes,
Okay, so make a way to send your answer in the chat box.
I read.
Oh no, don't read. Send. Send it to me.
Viết email gửi lên chatbook cho cô. Dạ. Ủa gì? Học cái nào? Đang học mà. Ui, thì cái khay đó đang trong bồn đó.
Are you now done, Sarah?
Ừ.
Mai, where is your answer, Mai?
Ừ.
You just have to send it just like what I sent to you in the chat box. Copy, paste, then send.
Send her email.
What do you mean you don't have email? Sarah, are you done?
Ờ, ờ, đâu, đâu,
Can you
đâu.
please help me explain to Mai how to send the answer?
Ờ, viết cái email lên cái phần trò trò chuyện để cô đọc rồi cô sửa cho, chứ giờ tự nhiên cái cô kêu gửi lên mà kêu no no cô không hiểu. Cái này tôi không có email. Viết lên khu trò chuyện thôi. Cần email làm gì? Sợ dạ.
What did you say, Sarah?
I say she write her uh, her work on the chat book, the chat, the chat, and to yeah, that's
All right,
to her.
that's good. That's good. Thank you for that. Thank you for helping me, Sarah. Now I'm waiting for both of your answers. Are you almost done?
RT.
Don't
Uh,
make it very long. Just
um,
do what is asked in this part.
Prince.
Mai, where is your answer now?
I am writing now. I am done.
Oh, it's here. Somebody sent me a message. Okay, so here's Mai's answer.
It's me.
Hi, it's Sarah's answer. But you sent it to everyone, Sarah, not just to me. So Mike can read it. Here it is. I'm going to read it. Hi, Mark. Everything is going well. Congratulations to be a new captain in your new team. I will tell you about my new home. In my new home, there is a big bed in my bedroom. I usually play game or sometimes read book or I sleep. In my new school, there are lots of things to do, and I have lots of friends. Best, Sarah. Wow, very good. So that is how you write a
Yes.
response. Very good. But Sarah, there are some like little corrections about your response. So my I'm still waiting for your answers, my. So here, Sarah, can you say it clearly?
Yes, yes.
Okay, hi Mark, you have to make an indentation like that. Okay, everything is going well. Here, congratulations to be a new captain in your team. So it should be like that. Then, another paragraph. I will tell you about my new home. In my new home, you have to put a comma. There is a big bed. In my bedroom, that's only one word. I usually play game or sometimes read a book or I sleep. In my new school, comma again, there are lots of things with S to do. And I have, no, this is still a continuation, right? And I have lots of friends. Then here, best, Sarah. So don't forget, if you put best, you have to put a comma. Best, then put your name here. This one, best, is just here. Best Sarah, like that.
Okay.
Okay, so this is now a perfect response, Sarah. Actually, I like the way you write your response, Sarah, because you know how to follow instruction. And of course, you already know how to make an informal email. However, pay attention to the punctuation marks. Do you know punctuation marks, Sarah?
No, what? I don't know.
Punctuation marks. Okay, let's review what are punctuation marks. When you say punctuation marks, we have period. That's period. We have comma. We have
Come.
exclamation point. We have question mark. So these are the four basic punctuation mark. Again, this is period. This is comma,
Punctuate.
exclamation point, and question mark. So when do we write a period? Okay. If if the sentence is complete, we write a period. Just like this one. Just like this one. Where was your answer? Where was your response? This one. Everything is going well. Then, of course, there's a period. That is one sentence. Okay? Then, how do we write a comma? So, you write a comma if you are not yet done with the sentence and there is more things to follow. For example, I like melon, mango, and grapes. Okay, so look, I put a comma because I'm not yet done with my sentence. There's more to follow. Once I'm done with my sentence, I put a period. And that's already counted as one sentence. All right, Sarah? Then, of course, we write an exclamation point to see it, to show that we have a strong emotion. If you are angry, you can say, "Don't do that." You have to shout. Then you have to put an exclamation point at the end. If you are excited or if you are surprised, you're like, "Oh my God, OMG." Okay, so you put an exclamation point. Then you can also say, "Oh no." Okay, another exclamation point. For example, your classmate says, Hey Sarah, I saw the cat who died on the street. Then your reaction is, "Oh no!" You have to put an exclamation point. Do you understand, Sarah?
Oh,
Okay, and lastly, we have a question mark. You know that one. When you ask question, you have to put a question mark. So that's it. Those are the four basic punctuation marks in writing a letter. Now, how about you? Yeah, what? For example, what? So what do you put here? What?
uh,
Mark. Do
what's
you
your name? What's
Okay,
your
what's your
name?
name? That's a
Question mark.
question mark. Very good, Sarah. Now, what about you, Mai? Are you still there, Mai? Hello, Mai. Mai? I think Mai's already gone. Hello, Mai. Hello, Mai. All right, so Sarah, I think Mai is not there anymore. So Sarah, good job on your email. So on
Already
Thursday, Mai, are you still there? Hello, Mai.
sure.
Okay, now where is your answer, Mai?
Wait 5 minutes.
5 minutes? It's already time. So, Mai, I'm sorry, I cannot wait for another 5 minutes because, of course, we have to go to bed. So, don't worry. I want you to save your answer in your iPad. Then, on Thursday, just copy it and send it
Hmm.
in the chat box. All right, we'll continue with that one on to Thursday. Okay, Mai?
Wait.
Are you done with your answer? Yes or no?
Hmm. Family.
Are you done?
Yes.
Okay, now save your answer. Can you send it right now or not yet? Mai,
School.
can you send it right now or no?
Yeah.
All right, now send it now. I'll give you 5 seconds to send. One, two, three, four, five. Where is your answer, Mai?
Um,
Are
Này,
you
ê,
writing in the keyboard?
mẹ ơi, hình như 10 giờ là có chân máu á mẹ. Dạ,
Oh,
sao
here,
có
it's
chân?
here. Okay, so Sarah, let's check Mai's answer. It's okay. So let's just extend for a little bit so that we can correct Mai's answer. So here's my answer. Hi, Chi. My family is well now. Congratulations on being my best friend. Today, I will introduce you to my daily life. Every day, I wake up and brush my teeth. Then, I have dinner with my family. Next, I go to school. This is a daily. My Actually, your email is good. Yeah, it is a correct email. However, what we this is not how you respond. When you say responding an email, you have to respond accordingly. What are the questions being asked to you by Mark? You have to answer that one. So this one is another email about your family and your life. This is not answering Mark's question. All right, Mai. But so far so good. You know how to write an informal email. Okay, so I'll save your answer because we're going to check this on Thursday. So again, okay, when I ask you to respond, okay, if I'm gonna ask you, okay, Hi, Mai. If I say, hi, Mai. Ah, no, no, here. If I ask you, hi, Mai, how are you? Have you eaten dinner yet? Then I will say, love AM. How are you going to respond this question? So you cannot say, hi, AM. My family is fine. This is already wrong because I'm not asking about your family. I'm asking about yourself. So if you say my family is fine, okay? So instead of saying that one, you can say, hi, AM. I'm okay. Then of course you have to answer the question. Have you eaten dinner yet? Then you can say, yes, I just finished my dinner. Then you can say, I had soup and chicken, then a little bit of vegetables. That one. Okay, that way, Mai, you are answering, you are responding accordingly. Then close, love, Mai. Okay, do you see the difference, Mai? So look, here, hi Hamal, you have to answer accordingly to Hamal's question. But so far, you know how to write an email. It's just that you did not follow the instruction. Okay, so anyway, Mai and Sarah, I'll see you on Thursday. Thank you for joining, and I hope you learned something. Goodbye.
Goodbye.